What's up, tribe members? Now, a lot of you have been asking because one thing I always have in my house, no matter what, is date syrup. Like, I love date syrup. And see, I know a lot of you have been asking, how do I make date syrup if I can't get it? Now, this is a simple recipe of how you can make your own date syrup without any olishi inside. This is just, you just need 2 ingredients, so just water and dates. Yes, so it is very easy. Now all I just needed to do was to peel, remove the seed. After removing the seed, now this process is very technical. You have to boil in low heat for about 45 minutes. Now what this does is that it release all the sweetness. Say, I trust you, if you taste that water, God, see, you that you like adding processed sugar to your meals, and you just stop because this was too sweet. And I was like, am I sure this is just from dates? Yes, all I did was add more water to it, then transfer it back to the pot and start stirring occasionally till it thickens to the consistency of honey. Once it thickens, you just have to remove it from the pot so that it's not going to dry up. Now you remove it from the pot. I transferred it into the bowl and allow it to cool. Now as it cools down, it even thickens even more and the color gets darker. And voila, this is our date syrup, our homemade date syrup. And see, it is very easy. Just doing the lasso, dates and water, and trust me, your whole family will dish that sugar. Let's raise all the kids together.